So, hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a 7 day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages from 5th till the 11th of May for all the Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Venus, Ezra, and Rising. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self-Love Course, 2 links are given below in the description box, honey. So let's start, Scorpio. 5th of May, we have the existence. The more you are going to stay pure, kind-hearted, and honest and loyal with your own energies, with your own true self, the more it's going to be like the existence giving you a green signal that we can co-create. We can be each other's friends. We can have a beautiful like connection. It's like if you want to stay in tune with the existence, you have to be truthful and honest with yourself, with your true naked soul. 6th of May, the turning in. So different people, different view, different energies, different solutions. Instead of trying to figure out a way or instead of trying to seek guidance from the outer world, try to turn into yourself and you will be able to seek the answers. You will be able to find the solutions to a problem that you might be facing from quite a long time now. But it's basically you have to turn into your own energies and understand that you have the solution within yourself. Okay. You can definitely find the answer within yourself instead of trying to seek a lot of people, situations, and things. 7th of May, we have the Fool. Okay, now you have to have a childlike, innocent kind of energy, and you have to take the leap of faith with the universe. Basically, you have to take the first step in a direction that you are scared to take the leap of faith in. I don't know the end results, but the universe is telling me until unless you are going to take the first step in a particular direction with utmost honesty, with utmost faith, you will not be able to find the answer. You will never be able to understand what happened. You might end up regretting something, like you might end up regretting not doing something in a particular direction. Okay, that's energy. 8th, we have the adventure. Now, the 8th of May, you might be planning to go on an adventurous trip or something that you have never done before. For some of you, it could be like a spiritual retreat or spiritual detox kind of energy where you are trying to do something totally different that you have never done before or you have never experienced before. Whatever it is, it's going to be very adventurous, very fun. Again, go there with a childlike, innocent energy, and you are going to have a lot of fun. Whether it's spiritual, whether it's a normal trip or whatever, it's going to be good for you and your soul too. 9th of May, we have the healing. Okay. The moment you are going to feel that you have to heal yourself, the moment you are going to be vulnerable in front of the right energy, right person, right situation, you will start your healing. It will be like inside out healing will start automatically the moment you are going to choose to be vulnerable in front of the right person, right energy. And the universe is going to give you multiple opportunities to heal yourself. Maybe again, a healer is going to show up, or a therapist, or a person, or a guru, or you are going to find some video or maybe a book or something that's going to help you to open up your wounds, and the healing will start automatically. Very good. 10th, we have the ripeness. Something is about to come to fruition. Do not give up. You are on the verge of getting the results, getting the fruits of your hard work very soon. So do not give up on something that you are working on maybe from a very long time, but you're not able to get the results. You are about to get the results very soon, honey. So do not give up. It's like ripeness happening. 11th, we have the breakthrough. You will be able to find a solution for a problem that you might be facing from quite a long time now, out of nowhere. When you will be least expecting to have a breakthrough in certain area of your life, you are going to have it. For some of you, it's spiritual awakening, you going to the next level of your spirituality. For others of you, you having a breakthrough in certain area of your life and feeling very good about it. Again, it's going to happen suddenly, unexpectedly, when you are going to least expect it to happen, and you're going to feel like, wow, I was not expecting this to happen. It's miracle. It's like miraculous breakthrough kind of energy for you guys for this particular day. Perfect. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.